Hello, Pinkerton parents. As you know, our trip to the Fort Worth Zoo is quickly approaching. In preparation, the first grade teachers have decided to create a scavenger hunt for your learners to complete as they are experiencing the Fort Worth Zoo. Some things to remember about the scavenger hunt. One thing to know is that any parent can follow along by using the hashtag that we'll talk about later, regardless of if you are a chaperone or not. Chaperones will be leading the learners through the hunt. Chaperones and their group members can complete any or all of the challenges that are presented via a tweet. They can complete any of the challenges by any educator. They're not required to just complete the tweets from their homeroom teacher. But it's also important that you're not required to complete all of the tasks that are tweeted out. The intention of this scavenger hunt is to create meaningful conversations with your group members, provide focus, and add another element of fun. The first thing on the agenda is to create your Twitter account if you haven't done so already. Attached to this email, there's a how-to video of how to create a Twitter account. Once you have, you're going to learn how to find and follow your first grade Pinkerton educators, find the hashtag that we'll be using for our trip, and compose your first tweet. Once you've created your Twitter account, the first step will be finding your educators and following them. Here's how you do it. You'll want to make sure that you're signed into Twitter and that you're at your home page. You're going to use the search box up here to search for each of the first grade teachers. Miss Ireland is at Pink L. Ireland, so you will search for her, you'll find her, and then you'll click on this follow button. It will turn blue when you know that you're following that teacher. The next teacher that we're looking for is Miss Graves. So I'm going to search for at Pink Graves, select Miss Graves, and click on the follow button to follow her. Finally, we're looking for Pink E. Bishop. Remember that you're following all of the teachers because you can complete any of their tweet challenges on the field trip. So I found Miss Bishop, click on the follow button to follow her, and now you're good to go. The next step on our agenda is to find the hashtag that we're going to be adding to each of our tweets. You're going to go back to Twitter, search for the hashtag #OnePinkZoo14. As you can see, there are no tweets for this hashtag yet, but that won't happen for long. I just wanted you to type that in your search engine because now it will always be there. Whenever you start typing #OnePink, it will recognize that that's the hashtag that you're wanting to use. The last step in this preparation is to compose your first tweet. So going back to Twitter, I'm going to click on the blue tweet button. You can compose a tweet that's as simple as, "Hello Pinkerton learners. I can't wait for this field trip." If you would like, go ahead and maybe add the @ symbol in your teacher's name. And don't forget to add the hashtag #OnePinkZoo14. Go ahead and tweet. And now you're ready. The final thing I wanted to show you is now if we search for #OnePinkZoo14, there should be a tweet. I'm going to return back to my home page, type in the hashtag #1, see how it recognizes that you've typed in #OnePinkZoo14. I'm going to select on that, and now there's my tweet. So as your students are going through the scavenger hunt, as long as you add this hashtag #OnePinkZoo14, then everyone's tweet will appear on this hashtag. Thank you and have a wonderful time on your trip.